Hi, Welsh Metals here. I'm going to be making some costume jewellery shot today to use in future projects. And I will be pouring this material once melted into this steel pot of water there in order to make a shot, which is more usable in other projects, casting ingots and such. Breaks down very quickly, as you can see. Shouldn't take long at all. There we go. Still quite hot. You can see there's quite a bit of tin in there. There's quite a bit of borax also. Soak up any contamination. Okay. Scoop off any unwanted, unmelted dross material. Feel a bit there. Anything that doesn't alloy together. There we go. All done. And there's the jewellery shot. Look at that. Strange sort of formation has occurred. Got a few nice pieces. Sounds a bit like zinc alloyed with tin. Probably exactly what it is. That spoon's hot. But anyway, look at that material. That is what I've got from the zinc and jewellery shot with tin alloyed into it. Feels quite weighty actually. Close up look. That is what the results were, what I just made. You can see it's quite shiny material. Looks quite nice. And a bizarre formation has occurred also with the pouring of the shot when it hit the water and flattened out like that, as you can see. And that will be useful for melting into moulds at a later date or using in my furnace, since it is much better uniformity and quality and is also being cleaned of dross already. So I'll be making more jewellery, costume jewellery bars in the future. Make good use of recycling from bits of waste like that over there. That's steel, costume jewellery, bits that didn't melt. Well, see you in the next video.